Well, I came home from work today after working 11 or 12 hours, and I got a pleasant surprise that was waiting for me at my house. I got an iPhone 10s Max. I kind of did a slight unboxing, but I opened it up. This is a gold variant. It's 64 gigabyte. And without further ado, let's see what it looks like. Man, this baby is beautiful. It's large, 6.5-inch screen, 64 gigabyte variant. And this is the gold one. It looks good. I can't wait to open it and see what happens as I get it powered up. It comes with the earplugs, the earbuds, and it comes with a charger. But that's it. We have no dongle and we have no fast charger. Here's the phone plug. And we got a Apple Watch. This is the 44 variant. It comes in two sizes this year, 44 and a 40. And once again, I got the gold. It comes in two different pieces. It comes in the band. And here's the watch. Let's open it up real quick and see what it looks like. It is a lot bigger than the other one I had, which was a 42. This one is a 44. And let's do a power up just to see, how big it is. Wow, this baby looks beautiful. It's gonna look good on my arm, I'm sure, and I can't wait to get it going. So, without further ado, that's what's in the box. That's what we have, and the unboxing is complete. I'm happy with what I have. This is the way the back of it look. Look like it protrudes out just a little bit, but it's thinner than the other one. And all of the bands that we had, it fits the other Apple Watches that was Series 1, Series 2, Series 3. They're all will fit. Of course, the face is a little bigger, so and if you have a cover that goes over this to change the faceplate, you have to definitely get another cover. So once again, that's what we have in the inside. There's no dongle. You have to go buy one. And here's the 6.5-inch iPhone 10s Max. All right, so I'm gonna get her powered up, get her hooked up, and go from there. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.